Curl literally is pissing me the off, bro. What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video. And in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you my whole entire get ready with me process. You guys are gonna watch me do my makeup, this look that I did right here. You guys are also gonna see me slay this hair and also my whole entire outfit. I haven't done like a whole entire get ready with me in a little minute, so I thought that this video would be a ton of fun to film. You guys even believe that I used my flat iron to get these curls. I'm not even sure if I did a tutorial on it in the past, so if I did, excuse me, bitch, it's been a while. I've been on YouTube for a little minute, girl. Also, you guys are gonna see my little outfit or whatever today, you know, because I think I look real cute or whatever. Before you go, girl, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys want to be down with the Prima Donna Nation, because let me just say, we slay all day. I already know what time is it, so if you guys want to see me get ready, then keep on watching. Bye. So for me to get ready, you know, I gotta put the Nicki Queen album on blast, you guys. So now I can officially start getting ready for the day. So this Queen album be having a girl feeling herself, okay? Like, I really be bumping this. Like, I have to play this album. Like, I do not skip a song. Like, I just have to. You guys know I gotta be real with y'all, and I gotta share with y'all my favorite bra at the moment. You guys know I love Up bra. This is hands down my favorite bra. You guys, they just came out with new colors, so I've been obsessed with the red one. Oh my gosh, you guys, absolutely love the way this looks on my skin tone. I love this bra because it really lifts up the boobies, because it has this nice padding in the front where the padding is. And the best part about this bra is you can control how much cleavage you want. So on the left is my regular Victoria's Secret bra, and on the right is the Up bra, and as you guys can see, it is a huge difference. So you already know I have to put you ladies on, and of course I have a coupon code for $10 off if you guys want to check out one of these bras. I'll leave it all down in the descriptions. So now moving on to the makeup, I'm gonna quickly put on my brows. Let's get it. And yeah, girl. So the palette I'm going to be using is the Rose All Day palette by Karity. As you guys can see, we are doing a pink rose look. Every time I look at this palette, you guys, it legit makes me want to drink some wine. I don't know about you guys, but shit, I want a glass of wine right now. But anyway, so I'm just putting that nice, cute, warm color inside my crease, you guys. And I'm doing a really simple eye look for today's look. So I also ended up taking this really cute pink, and I thought I wanted to put it on my outer corners, but then, like I always do in mid look, like literally every time I film, I always end up changing my mind. I decided to cover it, so just excuse this step, but I decided to put it anyway, so that way in the next clip you don't be like, bitch, what? But anyway, now I'm taking my NYX glitter glue, and I'm gonna completely cover my whole entire lid and then cover it with this really pretty, this is like a baby pink shimmer, you guys. It was so cute. Oh my god, I loved it, this color so much. I don't know why, but this video was giving me Mean Girls vibes. I think pink. Oh shit, today is Wednesday. Yes, bitch! Wednesdays we wear pink. Regina George, who, bitch? I'm coming for that ass. Alright, I'm highlighting my inner corners, and yes, I licked my brush because these are my brushes. Who's gonna tell me anything? But yeah, now, you know, I'm just doing my little finishing touches, and now we're going to do a wing. Ooh, bitch, I haven't did a wing in a little minute, so I was a little bit shook, but we came through. She was there, okay, so we good. Next, I'm going to be using my Purity Naturals moisturizer. I actually have a video coming up where I talk more about this moisturizer, and there's a little surprise in my next video, so stay tuned for that. You guys know that I like to layer moisturizer, so next I'm going to be using my Passology Aqua Flash. This is like an aqua water bomb type moisturizer. Love this. This makes the skin literally look wet, and I apply it with this Makeup Forever brush, which literally has changed the skincare game for me, for real. Like, I do not use my hands anymore, bitch. We on the next level right now. So moving on to foundation, bitch, I popped on my lashes quickly, but yeah, I'm taking the Born This Way by Too Faced, and you guys, this also changed my life. In my last video, the lighting was a little bit off. That's why you guys are seeing the lifestyle background, because you know we had to bring back my vanity background. I was getting a little bored of my backdrops. So let me know what you guys like more, the backdrops or my vanity, or both. I just like to do both because I get bored really easily, but I want to know what you guys think. But anyway, moving on to contouring, hands down, you guys know if I'm doing cream no. If I'm doing cream contour, it's always with my LA Girl Pro, like always. It's nothing else blends like this. Next, I'm going in with also the Multi Sculpting Concealer, also by Born This Way. And this blends like butter. Oh my god, I live for this. Y'all know I also live for my Derma Blend, girl. Nothing sets my under eye like the Derma Blend. Like, if you have not tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Okay, I don't know how I got powder all over my face. Oh yeah, okay. Lately I've been heavily baking, okay? And to wipe away the bake, I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. The reason why I put a lot of powder on my nose is because I've been noticing with the Too Faced Born This Way powder, my nose will kind of like wear off, like the foundation, it'll break up there. So I've been having to like really set this foundation for it to last long, which is because a bitch still look flawless. So quickly bronzing with my Gimme Sun, and moving on to this blush by Karity. This is a new blush palette that they have, and I'm going to be taking this Pink Bomb blush, and I mixed both of those shades. It was cute. Now I'm going to finish up the eyes, and I'm just going to grab all of those crease colors and run them on my lower lash line and re-highlight my inner corner because the Karity palette just wasn't doing it for me. So now I'm going to be adding these white little dots. This is a simple eye look, but if you just do this little trick, it kind of just enhances it and makes any look pop. Also really cute and festive for this time of season. You know, Halloween is around the corner. I actually got this idea from this YouTuber called Aaliyah's Face. She actually always does like these little accent white dots, which I find so cute. So I'm just going to highlight real quick, and now moving on to my lips. I'm going to use Come On Sis from the ColourPop and Makeup Shayla collection. And I'm going to tap in the inner corner. This is I'm Nude by Jeffree Stars, the liquid lipstick. And this is how I do a really quick ombre lip. Real cute. And this is the finished makeup look, you guys. I really like this look. I hardly ever wear pink, so this was a little bit different. So this whole entire look was just so giving me life. I live, yes. So now moving on to my hair, you guys. I'm going to lay some curls real quick. So you already know my hair is always from Ali Julia, and I leave my little clip-in extensions in the secret little bag. And all I am going to be doing is just adding a few clip-ons to give my hair some volume, not necessarily length, because they're kind of like the same length as my natural hair. So all I do is just give my hair some volume. Another good thing about clipping on extensions if you want to do curls is that because the extensions are not as silky as your real hair, you guys, it will make your curls last all day. Like, your hair will be slayed. I don't know about you, but my natural hair, like if I naturally curl it, within a few hours it will definitely start to drop. So putting a few clip-ins to give your hair some texture and some fullness, girl, is gonna change the game. I will leave all the length to the Ali Julia hair in the description box, you guys, and the texture of the hair. I'm also going to take this texture spray, of course, to add some more texture to my hair, because I do not want my hair to be silky, because then my curls are not going to stay. So I'm giving you guys a test run because this blew mine. My freaking flat iron wasn't even on. Like, has that ever happened to you guys before? Like, anyways, so now this is the real deal. So first, all I do is grab my flat iron, you guys, and at first it's going to be facing me, and you're going to 360 and slide it down, okay? So one more time, I got you. Face it towards you, 360, slide it down. It does take some practice, you guys. Every time I do these curls in front of anybody, they're like, how do you do that? I actually learned this trick. If you ever get your hair done in the mall, you know how they curl your hair with the flat iron? This is actually where I got this flat iron from my mall, and they showed me how to do it, and I've been doing it ever since. I learned years ago. So 360 the flat iron and slide it down. It is so easy, you guys. You just gotta play with your hair one day, and then you guys will get it. But yeah, these Ali Julia extensions, you guys, they really make this hairstyle really look what it is, because when I don't do it without my clip-ins, you guys, it looks nice at first, but then it will drop super easy. So like I said before, a few clip-ins, even if you don't want to add no length or anything, will just really hold some texture to the curl. So my hair is all nice and done, and as you guys can see, oh, she looking real cute. So now moving on to my outfit. I haven't did like a get ready like this in a minute. This is like a throwback, you guys. So yeah, this jersey tee is actually from Forever 21. It is a really pretty baby pink silky material. It is so flashy. I paired it with some biker shorts. I wish they were all white, but whatever. So it's getting a little chilly here now that it's turning fall time. So I did throw on this denim jacket, also from Forever 21. And then for shoes, I did throw on my Huaraches, which match the jersey. These are the rose gold ones. So I kind of wasn't even feeling the jacket, so I just left the jersey as is. And I paired it with my Teddy Blake baby pink nude bag. This is actually my everyday bag, you guys. I love this bag so much. If you guys want me to do a what's in my bag video, let me know. I actually never filmed one before, so that would be lit. So yeah, this is the finished video. Thank you all for watching me get ready, and until next time, guys, bye.